I've had this chair for about 3 months, so I'm going to talk to you about all the features and specifications as well as my experience with this chair. Alright, so we can see along the sides of the chair, they have their micro suede-like material. It's for accent. It really holds no real purpose. But then coming in a little bit closer, it feels nice and plushy to the fingertips. Just feels pretty nice. And then coming out a little bit to show more of the chair. It's made from premium PVC leather, so no real animals were harmed in the making of this chair. And then you'll notice along here and along the back of the chair, they have their diamond check pattern design. It actually feels pretty good on your butt a little bit. It kind of massages it a little bit and your back as well, especially, you know, if you're sitting up front for a little while because you're really into a game and then you sit back on it, you do feel it on your back and it does feel pretty nice. Now, going back to the premium PVC leather, it is breathable. So again, I've had this chair for 3 months, long sessions gaming and editing and all that good stuff. I can't say that I've broken a sweat on it. It feels really nice. All right, now coming down to the bottom of the chair, we can see their class 4 piston. And then back over here, we can just lift this up and the piston is gonna go up. And if you're sitting on it, lift it up again. And it doesn't just slam down, it actually goes down relatively easily. Now, this is meant for 120 kilograms or 265.5 pounds. And I weigh 260 pounds, so I put it to the test and it works very well. Right, so the underside of this chair, we can see the base, as I mentioned in the unboxing and the build video, it is completely made out of metal. As one of my viewers mentioned, Jay Prill, all metal base, no plastic. Well, yes and no. The base itself is completely made out of metal. Now, if you come over here, this kind of feels like plastic. It's definitely not metal. And then that is definitely metal. So the base itself, yes, it is made out of metal, but it does have this piece of plastic. This piece of plastic does not keep it sturdy or anything along those lines, but it is there to cover, of course, what's underneath that. So again, all metal base, maybe some plastic accents. Now, on the weight part, La Granja Humana MX was saying this one only holds 120 kilograms. You might want to step up to the Cougar Titan Pro Royale that holds up to 160 kilograms. And he might be right. For you guys, maybe for myself as well, this is what they sent me, so of course I have to work with what I have. Now, in my previous video, when I was doing the laying back test to make sure, because they say you can lean back 160 degrees or recline back. Now, I tested that and then I kind of almost fell. I kind of almost fell because this was all the way loose. So the seat is gonna tilt or rock back and forward. So once I just turned this all the way up or screwed it in all the way up, then the chair, I did not tilt over, and I'll show you guys that in 1 second. So this chair does feature 3D adjustable armrests. So with the armrest on both, of course, you can go forward and back or back and forward. You could turn it left or right. And then of course, height adjustment up and down. So pretty cool. So I mentioned that the chair does tilt 170 degrees, and now after adjusting that little knob, I feel a lot better doing it. So let me show you real quick how it works. Now I do have the lower lumbar, so it might be a little bit weird. So let me show you real quick. All right, so 170 degrees, it is as far back as it goes. And I don't feel nervous completely laying on it. So works pretty well. After using this chair for 3 months, I will say it is a great chair. It's incredibly comfortable. for about the first half an hour. Now, I'm going to attribute that to the fact that I'm 260 pounds. I am very close to its maximum weight. I'm sure the lighter you are, the more comfortable it will feel. Just showing you a lot more of the chair. Now, during my build video, you might have noticed, like Grinch mentioned, did you have any problem after attaching the left armrest into the right side of the chair? So originally, so this is the left, and of course, this is the right. As you can see, I left a sticker on there just to show you guys. I had them crisscrossed. I had the left armrest on the right side and vice versa. And it still worked well, but you'll notice there is a little forward design there. I didn't notice a real huge difference on that, so it was still comfortable. So again, the more you weigh, the less comfortable this will feel. Now, as La Granja Humana mentioned, if you are a little heavier, you may want to go with the Titan Pro Royale. That one might suit you better, and maybe I'll get to review that for you guys in a bit. So again, this is a comfy chair, especially for the price. This one is incredibly affordable, you know, compared to the bigger and heavier chairs, but you know, the bigger and the heavier chairs, probably like the Royale, are gonna hold you a lot better. So my 2 cents on this chair. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I definitely love to hear back from you. And let me know what you think about the shout outs. You know, people commenting on the video and then me posting their comments and everything. As long as they were helpful, posting their comments within the video so that I can address each and every one. So again, this is a definite buy. It is affordable, but if you're a little bit heavier, maybe a little bit taller, I'm 5'6", and this felt perfect for me. Maybe a little bit taller would have been good too. But if you're a little bit heavier, you might want to go for the Royale, or of course another chair, but you know, right now I'm just sticking to Cougar since I am reviewing a Cougar chair. And then for my buddy, North Dakota Beast, and for all of us that like to sit like this, it is very comfortable in this chair to sit with your legs crisscrossed. I don't have any issues with it whatsoever, except it's a little hard to spin when I have my legs like this. So you gotta, eventually you'll spin. But that happens with any chair. So that's about it for now. Thanks guys, see you later.